Today I wanna share with you this product that Amazon just sent me to show you the use. This is a rack for bathroom towels, but you can use it in your kitchen too. Look this way, came with this user manual. It's color black, like matte. The material feels strong and good quality. Looks elegant and perfect to combine it with any decoration in the area of your house when you use it. Came with all the accessories that you need to install, and this is the other part. So let's go install it and let me show you how it works. Hi friends, as you can see, our rack is already installed in our bathroom. So let's go put some things in it. As you can see, it looks elegant and pretty because the color black is perfect to combine it with any area of your home. This rack is made for towels, but you can use it to put some things that you need to organize in your bathroom. Have so much space here to put your products. And you can put another towel here or more papers here. So it's great for saving space in your bathroom, and you can put anything in it and it looks great. So I highly recommend it. See you.